Okay, you guys, so today I'm thinking about making a hair mask, and I have a couple of the ingredients to make it. I've never tried this before, so it's gonna be a new experiment on my natural hair. As you can see, like, my hair is kind of short and dry, and that's because I need to oil it up more. So I'm gonna show you in the next clip. Okay, you guys, so I went in and cut the avocado. Look at the seed. Wow, it kind of looks like a mango seed, if that makes sense. But yeah, I had cut it, and I'm gonna just take the ends of here, the inside of the avocado, and sorry for the dog barking, but I'm gonna take a couple of the avocados and place them in this container. And yeah, you're gonna see the process. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I put the whole avocado in here, and now I'm gonna blend it. As you can see, I have the utensils here, like the knives, and I also use the spoon. I'm gonna blend it, and after that I'm gonna put the aloe to blend itself, and then after that I'm gonna blend all of them together in one and put them in this bowl, and I'm gonna stir it until it gets like really soft. Guys, so here I go. Wait, I gotta make sure it's closed properly. 1 second. Okay, perfecto. Now you're gonna pop it in here, and I'm gonna plug it in. You set it to the little 4 corners here. And then, hold on. Okay, boom. Now you're gonna plug it in like this. And yeah, all you do is push it down. Okay, just like that. Guys, I think it's supposed to be up. If not, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I might have to use a larger blender. I think it takes a while to get everything out. You know what, guys? Since I have a bigger blender, guys, I'm gonna put the aloe in here and blend it at one time. And I don't know, I might use oil and honey. Maybe not honey at first, I'm not sure. I might, but definitely the oil. I've seen people put oil in there. So yeah, I'm gonna blend it. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and cut the aloe. I just have to open them now and put the jelly, and then I'm gonna put them in the bowl. And first I'm gonna blend it together with the avocado, and then I'm gonna put the moisture liquid in the bowl. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I actually couldn't show you guys the part where I was cutting the aloe because it was kind of hard to take it out of the sack and like put it in the blender. So yeah, that's the aloe and the avocado inside, and I'm gonna probably put like hair oil, maybe a little bit of honey. I'm not sure. I don't even know if I should put honey in it, but definitely for sure hair oil, a little bit of it or so. So yeah, guys, and that will be completing the process once I put some in. I might do like 1 drop of honey, and that's it. Oh my gosh, I'm cringing. But yeah, that completes the process. I'm gonna blend it out right now. So I'm gonna blend it now. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. went ahead and kind of smashed it a little bit just because it wasn't blending. So yeah. The consistency, I can't even say it right, consistency of it. Wow, this is amazing. It looks like smoothie, but it's not. It's for my hair. So yeah, I hope it helps to make my hair grow. I don't know if I should wash my hair or if I should put it on dry hair, but yeah. Alright guys, that completes the video, and I'm gonna pour the rest in this bowl. So yeah guys, so I literally poured it in the bowl, so I'm probably gonna just like leave it in the bowl just because I don't have an actual self-container, so I'm gonna leave it in here. But guys, look at the consistency. But thank you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and leave your post notifications on. Thank you.